Hey guys, this is a 2006 Outback. It's a 3.0 version, but the interior is leather. You know, nothing special. I'm sure you guys all have spilled a bunch of coffee everywhere on this heated switch panel if you have the loaded model. Stereo took a shit, or you want to replace the shift knob, or these guys over here, the different colors, you want to paint them or wrap them in carbon. I'm gonna show you guys how to take all of this apart. And then we'll leave it up to the video editing crew to figure out how to break it up so you guys don't have to watch 20 minutes of me bullshitting. Need some tools. It is really hot in here. I don't get paid enough to do this, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Yeah, it's hot. So first things first, guys, I found the key fob. There's two screws in here. It's a number 10 and a Phillips. So I happen to have my Phillips on me. Unscrew these two guys back here. Well, don't use a Phillip because obviously it's caked in there. That breeze feels good. Okay, there's these two 10s in here. I'll show you guys. 1 and 2. These two 10s. And then your e-brake. If you pull on this this leather, this is glued in of all the coffee stains and spills. If you pull up a little bit, it's on like a, I want to show you guys, this thing is stained by coffee. Here you go. It's out of the way. This right here, see I popped out of it? It should have came out with it. This belongs in here. Okay, so if you take the two 10s out right here and get rid of the boot and pull up on it, that's about as easy as it gets to removing the center console out of the way. And then if you want to clean out your little heat switch panel, just pop it out, unplug it, it pops out like this, and then the little clip right here, just push down on it, and here it is. And if you want to get even more, intricate, you could just pop these guys off, and this cap will come off. You can clean it, repaint it, whatever, and put it back together looking like new. Or as you can see in here, it just looks like someone spilled a shit ton of coffee. It's just disgusting. But we're not going to worry about that right now. And there's a big plug right here you can unplug, and the whole center console is right here. So this is disgusting, but that's how that goes.